do that? You shouldn't have done that. If I told you once, I told you 3 times that you'll get your punishment when you show me your crimes. And it's not a spell, a curse you put on me. The way you make me smile so tenderly. How I wish it was those dishes you were throwing. Damn you for being so easy going on. I thought the time would change. My sins would provoke you. Your eyes were so not a chance. I mean, whatever happened to fiery romance? How I wish it was dishes you were throwing. Damn you for being so easygoing. Why'd you do that? Wanna do what? I'm just standing here, you know. Oh, come on, that's just why'd you have to go ahead and do nothing? Oh, no. I thought the time was sins would provoke you to rise on hell. Don't give me that line. Don't try to tell me that inaction is not a crime. Can't you see what kind of seeds you're sowing? Damn you for being so easy. Go